would like to give you all a warm welcome to Moosbach, and I'm really glad to be here with you with this beautiful weather, because in Freudenstadt the responsibility for the weather is at the mayor. Yeah, I wanted to give a big thank to all of you for the organization, for this very good international competition.
My duty as the official of the IGC and the FAI, which is the World's Air Sport Federation in the International Gliding Commission, to confirm that this Grand Prix Germany 2016 in Freudenstadt-Moosbach has been run according to the rules, and therefore the results are valid. And that's it from my side, and now Axel, you can continue with the prize giving ceremony. Thank you.
Kannst du auf Knöpfe drücken?